This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about tweezers, specifically these perfect point tweezers. They come in titanium blue, which is a nice color option for kitchens, especially since a lot of kitchens have a lot of stainless steel going on, and it's a great way to help your little tools stand out and make them easy to grab. And there's a bunch of different size and setup options for these that refer to the different points. So we have this fine point in 6 1/4, and you can see it's got those nice, beautiful tapered little points for precision pickup and placement of small, delicate items. And we also have the slant nose in the 6 1/4 as well. And this is nice for when you're getting into kind of harder to reach spaces and you just want to put something delicate on, say, a pastry or maybe finishing off a plate. We also have an 8-inch size, and this one we have the offset. So you can see it's got a nice little angle to it. And I often find that these are great for putting things down flat on a surface, right? And it gets your hand in a more ergonomic position. So if you find that you're using some regular kind of straight tweezers and they're just not the right feel, or maybe it feels a little awkward, sometimes these offset ones, just like an offset spatula versus a straight one, are a nice one to have on hand, and they can just allow you to have your hand in a more natural position. We also have a 9 1/2-inch size that is available in both the straight and the slant nose, and a long 11 3/4-inch size that is also available in the straight and the slant nose. And you can see that most of these have these nice kind of wide portion here that's going to make them easier to grab and hold, especially if you're doing tasks for a long period of time. And it's also got this great little textured grip here, which is going to make them easier to hold, easier to maintain your grip, and it's also going to be easier on your hands. I know a lot of times when I'm using these, I'm doing things like putting small, tiny details on cakes, which may take hours. So having something that's easy to grip and easier on your hands is going to be just a fantastic thing for anyone who's working in a kitchen and working for a long period of time. You want something that's going to be easy to hold on to and is going to make the job quicker, faster, and more precise. These have fine points for that perfect plating and that precise placement. You've got your variety of lengths and different options so that you can find something that really suits your needs. And they're just fantastic for plating if you're looking for those perfect little finishing touches at a high-end establishment, or you're looking to put small details like maybe candied flowers or little flakes of gold on cakes and pastries in a pastry shop. These are a great tool to have on hand. They're made of a stainless steel for both a durable and dependable, long-lasting tool that is also easy to clean. So these are great for a variety of different establishments like restaurants, hotels, and cake shops. And they're also going to be a fantastic purchase for the home chef or enthusiast, or just a gift for one of those folks. They're a great tool and they're really, really versatile.